ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ದೇವಕ್ಕಿ ಹೋಮ್. ನನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಆತ್ಮೀಯ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರಿಗೆ ಗಣರಾಜ್ಯೋತ್ಸವದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ಜನವರಿ 20ರಂದು ಯಾಕೆ ರಿಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಡೇ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಲಾಯಿತು ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೂ ಒಂದು ಕಾರಣ ಇದೆ. 1930ರಲ್ಲಿ ಜನವರಿ 26ರಂದು ಭಾರತ ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷರ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಪೂರ್ಣ ಸ್ವರಾಜ್ಯ ಆಂದೋಲನ ಆರಂಭಿಸಿತು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಜನವರಿ 26ರಂದು ಇಂದಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ದೇಶಾದ್ಯಂತ ಗಣರಾಜ್ಯೋತ್ಸವವಾಗಿ ಆಚರಿಸಲಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಭಾರತ ಸಂವಿಧಾನವು ಜಾರಿಗೆ ಬಂದು ಭಾರತವು ಗಣರಾಜ್ಯವಾದದ್ದು ಜನವರಿ 26, 1950. ಇದರ ಪ್ರಯುಕ್ತ ಗಣರಾಜ್ಯವನ್ನು ಆಚರಿಸಲಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ಲ್ಯಾಟಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ಲಾಗ್ ಹೋಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ನಡೀತದೆ. ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಬರೋಣ. ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ಕೊನೆ ತನಕ ಸ್ಕಿಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ದೇ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರಿ.
Introduction. His unflinching patriotism, call for freedom and refusal to stop before achieving the goal have made him a hero of even today. This year, the central government has decided to rename Subhash Chandra Bose Jayanti, the 23rd of January, as Parakrama Divas. His death and its cause might still remain a mystery, but Netaji's words remain immortal and continue to inspire millions. His powerful oratory, fiery speech, steely resolve can be felt by his writings and quotes. Let's recall some of them on this occasion of Republic Day. We should have but one desire today, the desire to die so that India may live. Such was his love for the country. Give me blood and I will give you freedom. With this idea, he built the INA, Indian National Army. Freedom is not given, it's taken. He believed in snatching freedom from the British and said that meetings and discussions can never get us freedom. Today, amidst all the protest and chaos in the country, our beautiful Tiranga sways in pride. But the Azad Hind that Netaji dreamt of is still a far-fetched dream. Remembering a hero like him for 4 minutes isn't really enough. If I and each one of us decide to be a part of Netaji's Azad Hind Fauj, not in action, but in thoughts, discipline, ideals and resolve, then we surely can witness his dream coming true. Jai Hind.
Pandemic.
We should be hygienic and protect ourselves from this pandemic. Lots of people are struggling to go to office and schools, but still there are many games to learn in the house. I help my mother. I like washing utensils. I call my friends to my house to draw and play games. They help.
Happy Easter to all. I didn't have any specific thoughts to share, but the topic given to Shreyas was, what did I learn from the pandemic? I allowed him to speak whatever he felt from his heart without any interference of my own ideas. And I think that was what came out purely from the heart. But that topic kept me thinking, what did we learn from the pandemic? And when I was thinking over the last couple of days, it struck me that a lot of time when we are put into such drastic changes to our situations, it gets us thinking on what are really our priorities in life, what is most important. And as I delve deeper, it all boiled down to what is that I can take control of in my own life and not worry about what externally is happening. And while we take, what is it that we can really control? It is our own selves. And break it down further, I think there are 4 aspects of our own integral self that we can really work on and control, which is our physical health, our mental health and emotional health, our spiritual health, and also our social health. I think these are the 4 aspects that we really can control in our lives. Everything else surrounding us is not in our control. Often we let our thoughts and feelings spread completely in areas where we can really not control, and fear percolates us completely. When we focus on those aspects which we can control, which we can influence, naturally I feel that you can establish that control on things which are around us also. So this is the thought I kind of had, and what I would like to share here is that when we start to focus our energies mostly on the things that we can control, the fear of the pandemic, fear of death or fear of COVID attracting us, I think that kind of dissipates itself and there is a joy that builds in it. And these four aspects, I think all of us would probably have spent a lot of time on one or two of these aspects, but have we really integrated all the four aspects? So for example, some people might be taking care of their physical well-being a lot, but may not be relationships, may not be the social aspect of life. Some other people might be thinking, okay, they might be reading a lot intellectually, they might be building themselves, especially applies to even children, the young people here who are in the early stages of their career. You might be spending a lot of time on your intellectual capabilities, but are you compromising on your health? So please think about this. This is what kind of struck me over the last couple of days, that these four aspects have to be integrated and we need to focus our attention in improving all these four aspects. See what are the lacunae in each of these, and when we focus our energies onto these aspects, the things that is beyond our control are not something that we will worry about anymore. We focus on what we can do, and that is pretty much what I kind of learned from this pandemic, because in the first half of the lockdown period, worry and fear, all these things gripped all of us. And these are all things that we can't really control. And let's take our attention inwards, see what we can do about these four aspects, and then maybe it will help us to build a more resilient ourselves to handle future changes, drastic changes like this. So that's pretty much what I wanted to share. No specific thoughts. Happy Republic Day once again. Thank you.
मनसिल सतु मम नित्यं गरुडगमन तव चरण कमलमिह मनसिल सतु मम नित्यं मनसिल सतु मम नित्यं मम तापम पाकुरुदेव मम पापम पाकुरुदेव मम तापम पाकुरुदेव मम पापम पाकुरुदेव जल जनयन विधिनमुचिहरणमु कविबुध विनुत पद पद्मा जल जनयन विधिनमुचिहरणमु कविबुध विनुत पद पद्मा विबुध विनुत पद पद्मा मम तापम पाकुरुदेव मम पापम पाकुरुदेव मम तापम पाकुरुदेव मम पापम पाकुरुदेव भुजगशयन भव मदन जनक मम जनन मरण भयहरि भुजगशयन भव मदन जनक मम जनन मरण भयहरि जनन मरण भयहरि मम तापम पाकुरुदेव मम पापम पाकुरुदेव मम तापम पाकुरुदेव मम पापम पाकुरुदेव शंख चक्रधर दुष्ट दैत्य हर सर्वलोक शरण शंख चक्रधर दुष्ट दैत्य हर सर्वलोक शरण सर्वलोक शरण मम तापम पाकुरुदेव मम पापम पाकुरुदेव मम तापम पाकुरुदेव मम पापम पाकुरुदेव अगणित गुणगण शरण शरणद विदलित सुररि पुजाला अगणित गुणगण शरण शरणद विदलित सुररि पुजाला विदलित सुररि पुजाला मम तापम पाकुरुदेव मम पापम पाकुरुदेव मम तापम पाकुरुदेव मम पापम पाकुरुदेव भक्तवयमिह भूरि करुणया पाहि भारती तीर्थं भक्तिवयमिह भूरि करुणया पाहि भारती तीर्थं पाहि भारती तीर्थं मम तापम पाकुरुदेव मम पापम पाकुरुदेव मम पापम पाकुरुदेव मम
ನಾವು ರಿಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಡೇನ ಹೇಗೆ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂತ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ಆದರೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ನನ್ನ ಚಾನಲ್ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿ, ನ್ಯೂ ಕಾಮರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದರೆ ಈ ವ್ಲಾಗ್ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದರೆ ಜೈ ಹಿಂದೂ ಅಂತ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನನಗೆ ತಿಳಿಸಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್.